Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some interesting news that you absolutely don't want to miss. Federal student loan borrowers will need to financially prepare for payments to resume in October after the Supreme Court rejected Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. The Supreme Court has struck down President Joe Biden's one-time student loan forgiveness plan that would have canceled up to $20,000 in debt for millions of borrowers who have outstanding federal student loans. In a 6-3 ruling from the conservative majority released June 30th, the court rejected the Biden administration's authority to erase student loan debt under the Higher Education Relief Opportunities for Students Act, or HEROES Act. The HEROES Act allows the Secretary to waive or modify existing statutory or regulatory provisions applicable to financial assistance programs under the Education Act, but does not allow the Secretary to rewrite that statute to the extent of canceling $430 billion of student loan principal, reads the majority opinion from Chief Justice John Roberts. In the dissenting opinion, Justice Elena Kagan wrote that the court exceeds its proper, limited role in our nation's governance, adding that the majority overrides the combined judgment of the legislative and executive branches, with the consequence of eliminating loan forgiveness for 43 million Americans. While the decision effectively stops the Biden administration from moving forward with the plan's current iteration, this isn't a definitive end for student loan cancellation. At a press conference following the ruling, Biden said his administration will move forward with student loan forgiveness under a different law, the Higher Education Act of 1965, which gives the Secretary of Education the authority to enforce, pay, compromise, waive, or release any right, title, claim, lien, or demand with regard to federal student loans. At the same time, the Education Department is planning to overhaul the Income-Driven Repayment Program, or IDR, which allows borrowers to discharge the remainder of their student loan debt after making on-time payments for 20 or 25 years. If these changes are finalized, the monthly payment for borrowers enrolled in an IDR plan would be 5% of their discretionary monthly income, down from 10% currently, dramatically decreasing the amount of money borrowers pay toward their student loans before achieving forgiveness. Additionally, the Biden administration announced on July 14th that it's implementing changes to the IDR program that would bring millions of borrowers closer to reaching student loan forgiveness. The department will now count past periods of non-payment toward the 20 to 25-year maximum repayment period, with about 804,000 borrowers becoming immediately eligible for a total of $39 billion worth of forgiveness. For more update, please like and subscribe this channel.